Alright, 10mm socket, takes your cover off. I put one in my last one. I'm probably not going to be able to just like flat roll through this. And like, oh, this is what you do, here. I don't remember if you have to use the bracket and stuff that comes with the radio. I did that last time I did my other one. I sweat so much. Sorry, I probably just had my head in the way. That's what it was. So here's your plug for your radio. Here's your antenna. And then this mount is what you mount your radio on. So I need to get a 13mm, pull those off, and then it has its own bracket. And then I'll show you over here. Use the screws that come with the radio, and then you have to take a razor knife and you cut that little relief out right there. You cut that out and you just take that panel out and it goes right over it. So let me get this bracket off. We'll get over here. I'll show you cutting this, mounting the radio, everything, and we'll put it right back in. Alright. Take your favorite hand slicer, and we need to cut this out. Try to be careful if you care about what your machine looks like. I'm not saying cut it like this. This is probably dangerous. I'm pulling real soft right here. Don't want to cut the plastic up or anything. I trim with like a little bit, I don't know, right there, a little bit there. I trim that up just so it looks nice. Probably can't even see it. I have OCD. I'll see it. Even if I don't see it, I'll know it's there. I'll take it apart, redo it. Good. You don't have to do that. You don't have to be crazy like me. I know. Pull that off. Yep. How was that? I think it was like that. This is up. 2 holes are up. Screw pack that comes with the radio, not with the machine. Drop a little tiny deal there. smaller machine screws. Loctite or anything needed. Maybe a magnetic screwdriver so you can grab these little tiny things. Screwdriver of your choice, Phillips. Whatever brand you like. It's getting pretty tight. You don't have to put a wrench on the screwdriver or nothing. Okay, then take the little bread tie off. Literally lose this harness. This is for your, you know, like if you're trying to pair something, your audio input or whatever. You can stick it outside of the thing if you want. I don't do any of that stuff. So there's that, and here's your extension cord for that audio deal. You could mount that, you know, kind of in your plastic somewhere if you wanted to. I don't do any of that. I just like having a radio. Need that, and I've got the other one in the machine. Let's go over here to the machine. Set our plastic up out of the way so it doesn't get messed up. Let's get that there. Let's get you guys back up here. I got a new, I got a few new camera mount deals. I kind of like them. Try to get you guys a little bit better video. And then I put this little clip back in. All it does is keep the wiring there nice and safe. And you plug in your radio. Plug in your antenna. There's plenty of room in here for this thing to wrap up. I tend to turn the key on real quick before you put everything back together. Lights up, radio, FM, anything around us. I don't want to get demonetized, but it works. So then I turn it off, turn the key off, and put it back together. So I'll show you guys that, since you didn't see me taking it apart. Just be careful of all your wiring. It usually sits well out of the way, but just kind of watch it. Obviously, you don't want to pinch a wire underneath it, and then you have to take your brand new radio you just put in, out, and do a wiring repair. This one, I'm trying to stay out of your way. This one kind of sucks underneath here. Extension. Put your socket in it. I think it's right there. Yep. Can't see it. Kind of put your head down in the seat, or I have to put my head in your way, and that's kind of counterproductive for what we're trying to do here. Doesn't have to be like torqued to 100 foot-pounds or nothing. Just tight. I'd make this video because this has come up on like the Kubota Facebook page. Hey, how do you put the radio in? These are 12 millimeter, by the way, not 13. They look like 13 to me, but they are not. They're 12 mil. I don't remember where I put my last one, but We're going to kind of roll that up out of the way, set that there. And the wiring can go down below. Cable goes on there. And I have the screws in my trusty cup holder. Wiring flag's gonna bug me, so we're gonna tuck that in. OCD, sorry. Tuck in. Better. Get my brain itch. Get in your way. Nope. Let's see. Thought I might have to get in your way for this one. Try not to. Oh man, things are so much easier when you're not videoing and trying to get the shot. I mean, you guys don't want to sit there and look at the back of my head or at my back or on my butt or something. Well, that is putting a radio in a Kubota. They're all the same, I believe. All the track machines are all located in the same spot. Check it, make sure you're good. Go through and set it how you want to set it. And that's it, guys. So I hope you liked that little video. Wasn't anything major, but I have seen that on the Kubota page on Facebook, so I figured I'd do a quick little video how to install a radio in an SVL. So we just got done switching the tracks out. If you didn't see that video first, if you're interested, this is our new 75. That's our old 65. It's going to be for sale, and we put the cam sews on the new machine. So have a good day, guys. I hope you liked the video, and we will talk to you on the next one.